Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 5th of the May Leetcode Daily Challenge. Cinco de Mayo on a Friday, eh? That's gonna be a fun day. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. 1456. Maximum number of vowels in a substring of a given length. Given a string S and an integer K, return the maximum number of vowels, letters in any substring S with length K. I mean, this is clearly written in a way such that it is a sliding window and just keeping track of vowels, right? A, U, right? Just return those files and then just return the max, and that's pretty much it. I don't anticipate anything that tricky about it. Yeah. So you could do something like best is equal to 0 maybe. Current is equal to 0, and then for I in range of n, where n is length of s. If s of I is in AEIOU, then current increment by 1, and then if s of I minus k, of course I minus k is greater than 0, and this is in AEIOU, current minus 1, and that's just the current. And this is standard sliding window. This is the number of vowels in the sliding window, right? In the current window. And then, of course, you have to check when to update. And if I mean, you don't actually, in theory, need this. Because basically, you really want to be precise, which is that if I is technically greater than or equal to K minus 1, then you do something like best is equal to max of best current. But of course, you actually don't need this, technically speaking, in a sense that in a greedy way, it is automatically like when this is true is when current and best is maximized anyway. But you know, it's very but it's not always the case for sliding windows. Is that in this particular problem it is, and it's just kind of fun to point it out because, you know, because it does come into play in other problems. You know, this constraint, and I always kind of get it off by one. I don't always get it, but it's something that is always on my mind anyway, because it's very easy to miss off by 1 and stuff like that. And sometimes I do it enough times that I kind of confuse myself. But basically, when this is the case, the length of the window is size k exactly. Well, technically, I guess, or more, but you subtract, so it's okay. But yeah, this is linear time, constant space. I don't really have much to add to this one. Perhaps I should have, I don't know. I didn't really, I'm not really back to the fundamentals on this one, so my bad on it. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any issues with this one. I'll make it up to y'all. I'll do a premium question after this, so maybe I'll do more explanation on that one. But sliding windows. So yeah, definitely. Sliding windows is kind of a thing that kind of goes with greedy. So definitely, it is one of those things that are very often on interviews. So definitely get, you know, familiar with it. This is I would say this is probably one of the more of this particular problem is one of the more straightforward ways of explaining it, or that utilizes that skill. So definitely, hope you kind of get it quickly. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.